this really is, as you know, Bruno, this is very much a leading edge emergent understanding. But the books I've been writing show the evidence for it, and the evidence is coming forward now. You know, all scales of existence across many, many different fields of research. And as a scientist and as an explorer, as someone who's curious about the nature of reality, I really look to seeing from different perspectives. And when all those different perspectives are honing in on the same understanding, then that is progressively more compelling. So what I'm finding, but it's not just me, it's many scientists now, from cosmologists to evolutionary biologists to systems theorists, are finding that the appearance of our universe, as you mentioned, the energy, matter, space, time, is not fundamental, that these are what we call emergent phenomena that arise from deeper levels of causation and intelligence and intention. So the question, or one question, is, of course, how does that happen? And what we're discovering is when we analyze complex systems, such as ecosystems, such as orbits of planets, such as galaxies, such as behaviors of human collectives, we find that underpinning them all are patterns. And these patterns are all relational, they're dynamic, and most fundamentally, they're made up of digitized information. So that information is the stuff of energy, matter,